guys, and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to play the higher lower game. And yeah, let's get started. Play game. Synesthesia. I think this is higher. Yeah. Oh. That was not, that was a fail. Olympics or Taoism. Think it's lower, I guess? Yeah. iPhone 6s. That might be higher. Yeah. 7 million. Apple, that might be higher. Yeah. 13 million. Heart disease. That must be lower. But yeah, Microsoft Word. It's higher. Of course it's higher. British Airways. It's a airplane or something, but I think it's lower. No, what the fuck? 5 million. Okay, I am really stupid. Okay. Canada, I think Canada's higher, yeah. 1.8 million. Oh, sorry. It was my messenger. He's a... Yeah, it might be lower, so... No, what the fuck? I didn't know this guy. So... Yeah, lower. No, yo. Whew, that was close enough. South Africa, it might be higher. Yeah. To kill a mockingbird. Lower. Yeah. Car rental. It's a little bit tricky because to kill a mockingbird, 450,000 monthly searches. Car rental. You can rent a car, but 450,000 searches monthly. It's really tricky, but I try to go higher. Yes. Cheer. I don't know this girl. So it's a little bit tricky because I can see it's a singer, so yeah, 1 million, that's, yeah. But I think it's lower. Yeah, it was the same, so. What the fuck? Wow, I hit this button, and that button is going to, yeah, step back. Threesome or Labrador? I think threesome is higher than Labrador, but let's see. No, Labrador was 1 million. So yeah, a big fail. But I want to get the high score up on 10 before we quit this video. Palm Islands and Braveheart. I think Braveheart is higher. Yeah. David and Goliath higher. I am so stupid. Okay, Groundsman versus Good Will Hunting. I think this is actually lower. Yeah, 1,900. That's so much. Yeah, higher. It can't be anything else. Billy Joel, I think it's higher because, yeah, I just think it's higher. But let's see. What the fuck? Okay, I didn't know this guy, so A Clockwork Orange versus Human Rights. And closing the eyes. It's on lower. 3, 2, 1. Yes, man. Yes. Tennis. That might be higher. Yeah. 1.5 million. Istanbul. It might be lower. No? It wasn't lower, so yeah. Barcelona, higher. 9 million. George Best, lower. Yeah. Fade. I think it's lower. Because, oh my gosh. It's like, yeah. What the fuck? This might be higher, but I don't really know. Just say higher. No, but if we didn't, we have 0 points anyway, so it might be lower. No, it wasn't lower because I'm so fucking stupid. Okay. I will not quit before we have 6. The Untouchables, that might be higher. And it wasn't. I am so fucking stupid. So, Stone Cold Steve Austin versus Andre the Giant. This might be higher. So let's just press. It wasn't higher. It was 100,000 in difference. Uganda versus Super Bowl. I think this is lower. Yeah, this is lower. Global warming. It might be higher because it's this is a moment where a lot of people talk about the global warming, so it might be higher. Yeah. Not, yeah, you know what I mean. But Roland Garros, I think it's a tennis stadium, but I think it's higher because it have something with sports and some rugby onion. It might be a football player, so but I have never heard about this guy, so it might be lower, I guess. Please? Yes, yes. We are on 4 now, so let's get on 5. Triathlon. I fucking don't know what this is, but it might be higher than 50,000. So, higher. Yes, oh yes. Donna Summer. I think it's like from the 80s or something, a singer from the 80s, so yeah, it might be higher. No, it wasn't. But we got 5. One more and we are gonna quit. Menopause. Tom Hanks. Higher. Yeah, 1 million. Justin Timberlake. It might be higher. Yeah, 1.8 million. Oxfam. I don't know what the star or something is, so lower? Yeah. Rocky. Maybe it's a movie or a TV series, so I'm guessing it's higher. Yes, important. Indian Ocean tsunami, lower. Please, yes, 8,000. Camp Nou, so much fucking higher. Oklahoma City bombing. Lower. Okay, let's get it up. We are on 7 now. 5-star hotels. It might be higher. No, what the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, guys, but I'm going to quit now. So if you like this, if you like this video, go and fucking hit that like button. Oh, I got something in my eye. If you like this video, go hit that fucking like button, and if you're new, hit that sub button, and see you later.